we have to on the lights. Bing. This light is almost going to spoil, so we better take care of it. Wow. Our lights are very, 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 very strong. Okay. Now, maybe some piano. No, maybe slime. I got a great idea. I want to put slime so they can stop and slip. Wow. I want to take this blue one. Wow, this blue one. Put the yellow back. Let's take the blue one, the bluish yellow slime. And let's spread it on the chair. So when Mommy or Stacy wants to sit, we will sit on the slime. And from this box, now I want to take some purple. And let's go to my mommy's room. Let's go. Here is my mommy's and Stacy's room. Let me spread it wide and big. Oh no, it broke. There. Now this is good. Okay, now let me use this one and roll it like a snake. Oh no, we can't roll it so tiny. So I need to stretch it. Space. I need to make it stay. Come on, slimy. Oh yeah, you can put it there. Now it's time to take another slime. Oh no, the slime. Oh no. Maybe the slime works well when it is stuck there. Okay. Maybe now it's time to put on Stacy's side. This color loose. Take this squeaky wookie slime, smash it, and put it in. Okay. Let me put it on Stacy's squeaky wookie side. Okay, now it's time to go to sleep. Yeah. goodness. I have to go downstairs and put the slime back. Wait! A minute. Did someone just open the slime, please? Better put this back so someone who's responsible put this back. Let me check on the girls. Girls? Ew, mommy, a slime. So it's not you, but could that be Chelsea because she's sleeping? Who is it? Wait a minute. Is that a smile? So it must be you. Do you like a surprise? No! Wait. Will you put the slime everywhere? Yeah? Oh, you made the whole floor sticky. Better wash this and put this back in the slime box. Understand? Okay. Come on, Stacy. Let's go let your new piano sounds. Well, sit downstairs and put slime there. The slime goes here. Put the slime there. Inside. And remember, we're going to camp out today. Yay, camp out. I love camp out. And here, put this one in here and add the slime. And let me just close this guys. And the other surprise. Okay, Stacy. Come and lend me your new son. Alright. Ew! Ew, that's slimy. You fat too. Oh, no camp out today. Aww. Okay, so let's go for a camp out. Let me go get the car. Beep, beep. Well, watch part 2 of Camping Side. Bye for now. Please subscribe in the comments whether do you like slime so we can make another channel slime.